This is a mod layered haircut. This is a haircut that has been around for many, many years. However, it's been resurfacing for a specific genre and style of people. It's something that is very, very layered, and it works best on straight hair. If you do have wavy hair, it could work, but curly hair, it ends up becoming more of a wolf cut style, which is totally fine. As you can see throughout the sides and the profile, there is some length around the ears, and it all angles downwards going into the back. This whole haircut has a somewhat square shape, but also a rounded shape at the same time. Here is where I'm holding up the layers so you can see the entire top of the head and the sides and the back all have to be layered. This is going to create this shape, which is more rounded, and it's also going to help create that fullness and texture when you're blow drying. If the hair is not cut properly, then it's not going to react the right way. The next most important part of this haircut is the fringe or bang area. If you have the bangs too short, it's not going to work. Or if it's too long, it won't work. As you can see, I'm pulling it down and it goes just to the bridge of the nose. This works great on somebody who's got, I would say, more of a normal height in forehead. I would say thicker hairstyles work best. Fine hairstyles work best if you have a lot of hair. All of the hair is layered all the way going down to the front and bang area, because if it's not, you won't get that shape and you won't get that texture. It's really, really important that you find someone, not just a random barbershop you walk into. This is more of a go to a hair salon and find someone who specializes in layering. Now, if you do find a barber who can do all this, then great, go to a barber. But the hair professional needs to really understand the different types of shapes and how to cut layers properly. As we get to the sides here, you can see this is all going down on an angle, and that is what flows and creates the shape. Everything has to have a flow and a connection to it going from the front to the back. And if you don't cut it properly, then you may create some sort of spacing and you may go too short throughout the sides. So depending on how much of the look you want when it comes to this mod hairstyle, that depends on how long you want it. Now for the back, again, it's all heavily layered. The length on the bottom is all personal preference. This is a good balanced shape, and you can see because of how this is flowing and how this is accentuated throughout the head shape, it's going to work best. If you've got a flat back of the head, then creating this layered shape will work very, very well. These are the products that I suggest for this type of style. You want to stay far away from any sort of hair gels or pomades. Instead, you need something that's going to create texture. And if you want to purchase any of these products, you can click on View Products to check them out and get them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.